Hello, everyone. I know it has been a while since I have last done these videos, the live progress update videos, and that's not because I got bored of doing them. Far from it. In fact, it's one of the most exciting parts of my job. I mean, what not to like? Going live and teasing you all about all the exciting new features that we've been working on. You know what? But we have been incredibly busy over the past year, in fact. Not only building new features and improvements, but also planning the future of Plutio and ensuring that what we are building is going to truly help you. And we have been growing the team. We've been super busy growing the team. You know, a few years ago, it was only me. And now it's 6 people across 6 different countries. And we're still hiring. So if you're looking for a job and you love Plutio and our mission, don't forget to go to our careers page. So plutio.com, click on careers and apply. We're hiring more people to join our team and join our mission. So this is a progress update. It's giving you an idea about what we've just released. I'm going to give you a quick overview of the features that had just gone out and show you what they were, and also give you an idea of what we are currently working on, so what to expect in the very soon future, and what we are planning to do or to work on after that as well. And after this, I will give you a little bit of, let's say, behind the scene of what has changed in Plutio recently. So let's dive in. So let me share my screen first and show you one of the very first features that we've just released a few hours ago, in fact. Let me share my screen. Okay, so this is the dashboard. So one of the most requested features was the ability to edit the project menu. Now, if you go to settings and you go to menu editor, as you probably know, you can actually update your main menu right here from the menu editor. You can add more pages, you can add links, you can add dividers. And so if I add a divider right here, you can see automatically it will appear right here. So one of the things that we've done is implementing this feature to your projects as well. So if you go to a project, and now let's click to Tomato Bakery project, for instance, you'll be able to see the project menu editor underneath settings, the settings tab of the project, which before it used to be called overview, but now it's changed. There is no longer an overview tab. It's the project settings tab. Only the owner can see this tab. Only the person who can edit projects like with higher permissions can see this tab. Everyone else cannot see this tab. It is all of the project settings, from the billing settings, hourly rate, and very soon we're going to be releasing budgeting as well, so you can set the budget on this project, and automatically Plutio will automatically track the budget for you. See how much time you've already spent and track it against the budget that you've set here, so you're always aware of the budget and you don't go over it. But the exciting bit about this new feature, menu editor, is now you can customize it not only for you, but for other user roles as well. So essentially, you can show a different menu to yourself and a different menu to your clients and teammates. So everyone, different roles can see different menus depending on what you want to show them. And you can do that from edit the menu for others as well. So if you click on here, you can choose the roles even, and then you can customize the menu, the project menu for these particular roles. So let's say you edit the menu for a client, and when the client is invited into the project, this menu will apply to them, and so on. So I really think this is going to be super powerful for you to customize the view for yourself and others to make things much cleaner and the whole experience clutter-free. So you only show what people really need to see, and that's it. So yeah, it's as simple as adding options from here, and as you can see, it automatically updates. So I just added a divider, can drag it around, and it just moves right here. I can remove options, as you can see, and I can add more options as well, even a link. So you can link to an external or an internal page as well. Now, that's not it. This little icon, the new icon right here, allows you to select the landing page. This also works on the main menu editor as well. So we have the same option there as well. So when someone's land on this project, which page should load first? You can choose that right here as well. So this is one of the features that we've been working on for a while, and we've just released. So it's out there. You can start playing with it. And I really think, I really hope, in fact, that you find it very useful. So that's in terms of features. you're probably going to notice as well as you clicking around your Plutio interface or workspace. There's a lot of UI improvements. I have worked so hard in the past few weeks just trying to polish up things, making them more consistent. There's so much to talk about, really. So I'm not going to really mention all of them, to be honest, but you will notice this. I'm sure you will. The experience is much more consistent, it's much more smoother, and it's faster than before. And on mobile, I'm actively working right now to enhance your mobile experience. We're working on a new mobile menu, so there is no longer this tab on the side where the menu slides from the side. You will actually have a native mobile menu that works just like on any other app. So I'm actively working on improving your mobile experience, making it much better, consistent, and faster. So that's about the feature that we've just worked on and released. Now I'm going to tell you a little bit about what we're currently working on, and it's like 90% ready to go. In fact, some of them are 95% ready to go. So expect importing. You can import projects, contacts, invoices, contracts, whatever you want into your Plutio workspace. So then you'll be able to export and import. So you can export your workspace and import your workspace or individual items. And you can then export things from Trello, Asana, Basecamp, or whatever tool you're using, and then import it into Plutio in a click of a button. I'm super excited about this feature because it would truly help you bring all of this scattered data into one centralized and unified place. And the other feature that we're about to release, like any day now, is the scheduler. Now, a friendly reminder, scheduler is going to be released in beta. So if you really want to test it out, make sure that you have beta enabled. So from settings, click on beta program and turn that on there as well. So you can basically, play with it. So can't really wait for the scheduler, and there are a few things about it that I want to change, but the developer team was like, no, let's just push it as it is, test it out, see if people like it or not, and then we can do the updates based on the user feedback. I was like, okay, so we will have to wait until to get your feedback. So please, please, please do not hesitate to share your feedback with us about the scheduler once it's out. And I'm super sure that you're gonna love it, and it's gonna really help you. And very soon it will be integrated into your proposals, into invoices. So it will be like, if someone signed the proposal, you'll be able to choose not only to auto create a project or auto create an invoice, but also allow them to show them the scheduler page so they also book an appointment with you as well. So it's going to be very, very powerful. And activities, we've just started working on activities now. So hopefully in a very, very, very soon future, matter of weeks, you'll be able to access activities log. And that means your tasks, your projects, your invoices, everything on Plutio will then have a log tab. If you click on it, it will show you all the activities related to that item. And obviously, we're going to also work on a main activities page accessed only by the owner of the workspace that will show you activities across the entire workspace by everybody. And that will be phase one. And hopefully phase two will connect this to your analytics platform. So it basically counts in page visits. It shows you where they're clicking, where they're going, what kind of pages they're opening, and how many times they've opened your invoices or your proposals, and so on, things like that. And for invoices, for example, it will also have, if a payment is failed, it will log that into the activities log, and it will tell you payment has failed, here is the reason, and so on. So you will have access to so much information that will truly help you optimize and improve and prevent errors moving forward. And permissions. Yes, there will be a crazy revamp of permissions, which basically now you can access from settings, permissions. So this page is going to entirely change. I'm working on it right now, and then we're going to be working with the developer team to get this revamped. So basically, we're adding more options. We're making it much more easier to manage. We're cleaning it up. We're reorganizing it to make it much easier to basically work with. Right now, it's based on 2017 version of Plutio. It hasn't really evolved with the rest of Plutio, but now it's time for it to evolve and become super powerful to give you the full control that you expect from a Plutio workspace or Plutio interface. So expect that coming very soon as well. And the most exciting feature of all of them is automation. Yes, the planning of automation. We've actually done a nice, amazing brainstorming session with some of our power users. So thank you so much, everyone who joined that session and helped us brainstorm the next generation of automation. It has been super, super useful, super helpful. Thank you so much for your time. So we have done the research, we've done the brainstorming, we have the design nearly ready, and we're just working on ironing a few things out before we really hit the road running with developing it, developing automation. So expect automation arriving to you in a few months' time. It's going to be super powerful. It's going to allow you to truly automate every single part of your Plutio business. Everything will be just automatically connected and automatically automated. Your business will be truly autopilot by then. Yeah, okay, so that now brings me to, this is about the progress updates. I told you about the features that we've just released, what we are about to release, and what we have planned for the very soon future. And what I've just mentioned is like the big features, so there are so many little things as well that we would be working on at the same time. Improvement, bug fixes. There's plenty and plenty of things on the roadmap, which you can check on roadmap.plutio.com. So what I've just mentioned isn't just what we are going to be working on, just the main headlines really of what to expect. We're actively working on so many little things as well that makes a huge difference. Now, moving forward to what has changed recently in the Plutio world per se. So next week, our lead developer decided to call next week the cleaning week. And what that means is every single developer, 3 now, which a 4th one joining us very soon. So 4 developers, hopefully, are going to be fully focused on that week in cleaning Plutio up, fixing as many bugs as we can, doing as many improvements as we possibly can, just polishing things and really ironing all these little things that has been around for a little while. So next week it will be fully 100% focused, every single developer completely focused on fixing bugs, improving the interface and your experience. So expect some truly like heaps of improvements in a couple of weeks from now. And if you have any bugs, if you've been experiencing any issues or anything that's been making you angry or unhappy, please tell our customer support team via the live chat, and we will take a note of it and make sure that the team work on it next week during the cleaning week. Okay, so this brings me to something exciting that we're currently working on, and that's called, ladies and gentlemen, the showcase. So Danny is a fantastic new teammate who's joined us very recently. He's the content creator who's going to be working on tons and tons of initiatives to help inspire you and showcase Plutio to you and give you ideas and tips on how you can truly leverage Plutio to work your way and to work for you. And one of these initiatives that we're releasing very soon is our showcase newsletter. So expect some newsletter updates or emails coming out to you, maybe like once a week or twice a week, once a week or bi-weekly, and they will include a showcase of a fantastic person who's using Plutio to run their business. So if you're interested in joining this showcase program and being one of the first people to be showcased, please fill in the form that I'm just gonna submit right now. Where is it? In the comment section. If I find it very quickly, bear with me. It's going to be absolutely amazing. We are going to show you the theme that they're using, the colors, how they're using different icons on their main menu, how they're setting up the flow for their clients, so many things, how they're using it to like get leads, manage their leads, manage the proposals, show you some proposal invoices and things like that as well. Got it. Here's the link. So let me just share in the comments, and here we go. So you should be able to see it in the comments right now. Okay, so let's go back here. So yes, so yeah, please, if you're interested, join the showcase. It's going to truly help us and help everyone else and help you, because if you are showcased, you will be sent out in our newsletter, which is read by over 20,000 people. you will receive a $50 credit to Plutio, so you can use it towards our add-ons and plans. And you will also be showcased, or you have a dedicated page on our website only for you and your business. So traffic will be jumping on you all the time very soon as well. So we will be pushing Plutio super hard. And if you're part of the website, you'll receive heaps of traffic and hopefully leads coming towards your business. So one last thing that I would like to cover is that our pricing actually changed very recently. So our pricing increased. I'm going to show you the new pricing plans and what's changed and what kind of new add-ons we have now as well. So let me just go to the pricing page. I can't find our pricing page anymore. Okay, here we go. Right, so share screen. Here's our new pricing. So we have removed the team page, the team plan. Well, in a sense, it's still there really for everyone who has it already. But all of our new customers or new plans or new signups will have these 4 plans. So we have a solo plan, we have a studio plan, and we have an agency plan as well as an enterprise plan. Exciting, right? So the solo plan is truly designed for someone who just works by themselves, really. And you can invite up to 3 clients. So you can add as many clients as you want into the platform. You can create a profile for as many clients as you want, but you can only invite up to 3 to collaborate with them in real time inside the app. Our previous solo plan did not allow you to invite anybody. So this is like an upgrade for everyone who is on a solo plan. They can now invite up to 3 clients. On a studio plan, it allows you to invite a limited number of clients and you included up to 10 contributors for free. So you can invite contributors, up to 10 of them for no additional fee. And then it's $5 per additional contributor, up to 50 of them. And then on an agency plan, you have also unlimited clients and up to 30 contributors for free. And also you have white label included in the agency plan, so you don't have to pay for it separately. And the enterprise plan is basically designed for large teams, people who want to use Plutio for not necessarily just like a team, but as a system. Some people use it as a travel agency system where they actually invite their clients, or they allow their clients to sign up, and then they create a profile on Plutio, and then they can manage their bookings and things like that using the API and third-party integration. So you can use it in very powerful ways. An enterprise solution allows you to do that. There will be a based fee for it to license it, and then you pay per user on top of that. And it has some amazing stuff like an account manager, custom onboarding, and so much more as well. So that's our new pricing. And with it comes 2 new add-ons. Let me take you through these add-ons very quickly. So let me just update the screen. I was not showing my screen, was I? Okay. I always do that. Always do that. Right. Okay. So just going back to the pricing, just make sure it's the right screen. Okay, good. Here's our new pricing. I know I'm a bit late, but here we go. So just I think you have a context on what I've just explained. So you have a solo plan, a studio plan, agency, and enterprise. And you can see our new pricing on our website, so plutio.com/pricing, to view our new pricing. But I want to talk to you about the new add-ons that we've introduced. Many of you have been asking for these add-ons for quite a while. And one of these add-ons is the ability to increase the file size that you upload into Plutio. So from settings, you go into billing, and you will find the new add-ons right here. So white label, we all know what label is about, and it's been there for a while, but here's the 2 new add-ons that we've just added. The file size limit. So there has always been a limit of up to 100 megabytes per file. So when you upload files to Plutio, you're limited to 100 megabytes. But now you can activate this little add-on, which will allow you to upload files up to 1 gigabyte each, which is good for videos, photography, and big files in that sense. And single sign-on, we're excited about this feature because If you enable this feature, you will basically allow your clients, your contributors, or anyone else you want to invite into Plutio account or workspace to access the workspace without having to create an additional login details. So they can use social media like Google login or Facebook login, or they can basically log in using the same login details they've already signed up with you with in a different website or app. So you can just sync the two together. It's very, very powerful, especially if you have lots of users and you want to make the experience smoother and not wanting them to sign up again and manage two different accounts. So these are the two new add-ons that we have here. And we've also introduced a little thing called subscription breakdown, which is a fantastic visual way for you to see the breakdown of add-ons and plan. Because it's very important for us to know, for you, well, it's important for us to make sure that you're aware of exactly how much you're charged, when you're charged, and what's for. So we're making things as transparent as possibly as we possibly can, and I hope this makes it easier for you to understand your invoice or billing invoices. Okay, that is really pretty much it. I'm really excited to be able to do these videos again, and now with Joe and Danny joining us, we will be pushing way more of these videos very soon as well. So we will try and keep you updated through live workshops and progress updates like this. And remember, if you have any feature requests, we have the features.plutio.com board, which you can submit feature on, and it's active. It's being cleaned up by our Favren. Favren basically go through all the requests, merge them together, clean them up to make sure that it's clear and clean for you. So you can see all the feature requests and vote on the ones that you want. And remember, we really work on them. So very soon, we're going to also have a developer dedicated to these feature requests. So we're going to be going through them every other week or so, going through the best or most voted ones discuss them, and then work on them. So it's going to progress very, very quickly, very soon. So if you have any feature requests, submit them in the features.plutio.com. If you need help, our help center has improved significantly. So we added so many articles to it, tutorials, how to troubleshooting, onboarding. There's so much going on now in our help center. So if you're looking for answers to questions or you're having trouble, go on help.plutio.com and search for what you need help with. And obviously, if you struggle, you can always reach us via the built-in live chat, which just today, we've switched providers from Crisp to another provider in the aim to help improve our customer support experience, because the previous provider did not really help us very much, providing you a smoother, a faster experience. So I'm hoping the new provider will help us achieve just that. If you have any questions or any requests, drop them in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer them after this show. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for being part of Plutio. And if there's anything we can do, just let us know. See you around.